welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be cleaning my mochis. Okay, so I have about like 144, I think that's what I counted. And there's hair all over these because these, hold on. I don't know what my cat's doing, but these are so hairy. Like all of them are mochis or mochis, whatever people call them. And they're so hairy and all kinds of stuff. There's random stuff in here too, but most of them are mochis. So, yeah, I have like 144, I think that's what I counted. And they're just so random, like all of them are really cute. The thing that I don't want to happen is their paint to chip off on them. And you can even see all the hair, so we're going to see how dirty these are. We're going to put soap and give them a nice bath in my sink. So let's go to the bathroom and put all these guys in there. So let's go. Guys, this is just like stains on my sink. Oh, that's a hair. These are just stains on my sink, so don't mind all of that.
Okay!
Pull in focus. I'm going to push this down and let's get filling. I think I'm going to fill it with warm water because it'll just be better. So let's fill this up. Warm water temperature. Don't mind my sink. It's murky, kind of dirty. But yeah, so we're just going to fill this up. I'll be right back when it's done filling up. Hey guys, while the water is still going, I think I'm going to put some of this Harvest Gathering hand soap, just a little bit so my mom doesn't get mad at me. So just like that much. Perfect. Looking good. Perfect. Maybe one more little squirt. Perfect. Alright, so yars. So my sink is kind of like this shaped. So I'm going to just have it be like this full because when I put the mochis in, it's just going to be like a lot more like full. So yeah. Guys, is this angle good? Like, will this be good? I will take it off the ring light, but right now it's on the ring light just for a little bit. Wait, please don't mind the lighting and my kitty's over there. Hi, boy. Okay, so, sorry, boy. Okay, so we have this big old bin. Here it is. So I think we're just I'm gonna put them in nicely. I saw Purple Stars too. I don't know if you know who she is, but I saw her do this, and she put them in like, she like threw them in, and I know I'm gonna make a mess. And when my mom comes home from work, I don't know if she's gonna want that. And by the way, I don't think I've ever washed my mochis before, so this is a first for everything. You can see me in the mirror. Hello. I have a lot of mochis, so I'm just grabbing them from a bin, grabbing like a handful and trying to not to make them a splash. I hope I don't ruin anything. I'm really scared, so it's okay though. Oh my god, why is the water already so dirty? Oops. Okay, so, and I'm also going to hand wash each and every one. So, yeah. Some of them are really old, like this guy. That guy's really old, so I don't know what's going to happen to him. But, okay, that was the last of it. The box is empty now. And now I'm just going to, like, pat them in there. Oh my god, the water is so warm. By the way, I made the water warm because I heard that warm water like washes things better. Like dishes, you're supposed to use warm water, I guess. But look how clean they already are. They look so good. I'm gonna bring you guys a bit closer, just so you guys can be closer. But yeah, I can feel all the hair in there. Because when me and my friend take them out, it goes on my bed and there's dog hair and all kinds of stuff. There's so much. Oh my god, I'm afraid to like take them out and there's gonna be so much dirt. Okay, I'm gonna move you guys a bit closer, so I'll be right back. Let me just wipe off my hands really quick. Okay, so I'll be right back. I'm gonna move you guys closer so you can see it better. Hey guys, here's the overview of what it looks like. It's interesting. Look how dirty the water is. I do have the ring light like set up in the perfect angle, but I just wanted to show you a little overview. But look at this is my smallest mochi I have, by the way. It's so cute. But see, like, I don't want any of the paint to come off, so, and there's so much hair in this, so if you get grossed out by hair, I'm so sorry. And I'm gonna add more soap as well, so that's interesting. This is interesting, so I'm so excited. Yay! And I hope I don't drop my phone in the water during this process, so, okay, bye. Hey guys, here's the new view of the ring light. I think you can see things a lot better. And yeah, so why is there that much hair? I have no idea. I'm gonna put a little bit more soap in it just because we need more soap. So I'm not gonna use the hand soap. Use just a drop of the Bath and Body Works at the beach. Just a little tiny bit though. Just like that. Because yeah. So yeah. Okay, let's mix that around. I'm super nervous. Okay, no! Look at, see, that's what I'm afraid of. The paint's coming off. Uh-oh. See, that's what I'm super, super, super afraid of. No, my whizzies. No, look at all the paint. It's coming off. That's what I get afraid of. Okay, it's one time. They all need baths. And maybe I can even paint eyes on. Let me know if I should paint some eyes on. I definitely could do that. You guys, I looked it up and it said I can use Sharpies. Thank you. So, oh no, the crown. I forgot I had a tiara in here made out of paper. That's going in the trash now, I guess. Okay, so I'm gonna let these soak a little bit longer and then we can dry them. But yeah, and then we can see how dirty the water got. I'm afraid it's really dirty, but here are all the things. But yeah, see, some of them are still holding up pretty strong. This one's really nice. Same with this one. Those are newer ones though. This one, not holding up as strong. This one, it's alright. I think I could like color eyes on with Sharpies maybe. I just squirted water everywhere. Okay, but I'm gonna dry these off, so yeah. Look at this is my favorite one and the eyes are coming off. I'm definitely gonna paint some eyes on them. But yeah, I'm gonna get some dryers ready for them. So yeah, I'll be right back. So I'm just gonna use this rag and I'm gonna put it on the, oops, where should I put this? I'm gonna just put it on this, like, you can't really see, but I'm gonna put it on a corner over here. Right over here. And I put it, no, I don't know where I'm gonna put it. Guys, the drying station is my toilet actually, and I'm gonna just put it on my toilet. I'm gonna speed everything up. Let's go. Okay guys, now that I've done 2 batches, we have, oh my god, this is so crazy. We've only done this much, oh, you can't even see, this much of mochis. So we still have a long way to go, that's all I have to say. But we're doing good, so I'm going to do step by, well not step by step, but I'm going to do 1 batch with you, so washing and drying. So I did 2 batches of time lapse, and I actually did remember that I have to go grab another mochi out of my backpack because I brought one to school, so let me get it. So I didn't bring it to school, but I got it from PE. Look at how cute it is. Don't mind its little booger on its nose, but it's so cute, but it's going in there because it's sitting in my lunchbox. So shall mix around, make some friends. Okay, so back to what I was saying. So I'm just gonna grab whatever ones I want. I'm kind of going from oldest to newest, so like this one doesn't have any eyes anymore, but like that's what I'm kind of doing, so because the newest are more stable in there, so that's what I'm doing. So I just go like this, grab whichever ones I want. I definitely want to take out this big guy. They're all really, really dirty. What'd you just eat, Wrigley? My dog's in here with me. See, like all of them are just kind of like dirty, but I'm picking the oldest. I have an arm right here, limb, so I'll take that out. This one is really special to me, so we'll take that one out. Did I already take out the big guy? Where's the big guy? Did it sink to the bottom? Oh my god, look at all that stuff. What is all that? Okay, did it sink to the bottom? Where did the big guy go? Did I already wash it? Where's my big mochi? Oh, it's right here. Okay, here it is. This is my biggest mochi and my first mochi. So, got that. Now I'm gonna do a frog. We're gonna take out all the big ones right now. So, these big guys. And then I'm just putting them on my washing station. You saw it in the time lapse. So I'm gonna take out the little paw. By the way, I did not hand wash all of these. I have this wax bottle too. I did not hand wash all of these, but they've just been soaking, so I think it's good enough, to be honest. So, okay, I think we're gonna pick out 2 more, and then that's gonna be the end of a batch. So we have this one. We're gonna pick out these 2 ducks. These 2 ducks are gonna be right here. Okay, so now we're gonna go to the batch. Okay, guys, so now we're cleaning the batch. So here's my station over here. So I'm gonna basically just grab them and wipe them, and then throw them in the bin. Grab them, wipe them, and then some of them that like don't like that won't like take the wiping and then like still be wet, I let air dry a bit. So yeah, so the paw print's like pretty easy because it doesn't have any like creases in it. The ducks are a bit harder, so I like to do those last, but I'm gonna just get them over with now. Oh, no, it fell on the ground. Okay, we'll have that soak in there a little bit more so we can get all the hair off of it. By the way, I have never cleaned my mochis before, so I have no idea what I'm doing. Like, am I doing good cleaning them in batches, or am I not doing good cleaning them in batches? I have no idea. So, but yeah, so I'm just gonna dry these off. It's pretty easy, and then the rest of the video I'm gonna do time lapse, and then I'll show you at the end like my finished work. But I just wanted to show you like step by step how I do it, kind of. So yeah, it's pretty easy. This elephant does not have a face anymore. It has one little eye left. This bunny has gone through a lot, so we don't judge her. She's okay. Kind of, I don't know. Okay, so we're gonna put that back. We have a limb, a little pink arm, a little axolotl. I love this one. But do you see how dirty it is? But it's like stains at this point because I never washed it, so it's not coming off. Then this big guy. This guy's cute. This was my first one, like I was saying, and my biggest one. So she's the queen. The crown that I had to throw away was hers because she has world records in this group. Okay, she's my first one, and she's the biggest one, so she's a world record. Okay, we have 2 more. Okay, last one is this little cat. I have a big version of it, and it's super cute. They can lay on top of each other like that. Super cute. But yeah, it's a little kitty. Okay, that was just my little tutorial. We have like a good amount going here. But yeah, I'm gonna finish this up. I don't know if I'm gonna time lapse, but I'm gonna just finish this. So I might do 1 batch, not time lapsing, and then 1 batch time lapsing. So yeah, bye.
Hi everybody, if you notice there's less mochis in the sink than there was before I did the tutorial, is because I did 2 other batches before that. So yeah, bye!
I finished. You guys just saw the last time lapse of the video. You ready to see the sink? Actually, first I'm gonna show you the mochis. Here they are. They're so clean and gorge. No hairs in sight. By the way, if you see some like dirt, it's just stains. So, and I made sure the box is all clean, so there's no hairs in sight. And if you see hair, don't tell me about it because I just worked so hard cleaning these. So I love these so much, and they're actually really sticky now, so that's good, I guess. Now here's the sink. What happened? Like, seriously, what happened? Was there actually that much dirt? So I think we got a problem here. So, and my mom's on her way home. That's gonna be great. I'm gonna have to ask her if I should put that down the drain, or if I should put that in the toilet or in the trash. I don't know. So we'll just have to figure it out when my mom comes. So yeah. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. And now I have nice clean mochis. And by the way, my favorite mochi, if I could say, by the way, all of them I love equally, except one I love a bit more. Where'd she go? Oh, here she is. Her, and she matches me today. Literally, we're besties, okay? And guess what I'm naming her? Think about it. Look at her really quick. Look at her. What do you think I'm naming her? I'll give you a hint. What do you think I'm naming her? Her name's Booger, okay? Her name's Booger. So, that's her name. I hope you enjoy my video. Bye. Mwah.